We don't talk about that.
Okay. But there's one little problem. Welcome back, guys. So we're actually doing a camping overnight trip up in Batemans Bay. So we got food, we got tents, and we got the firewood sorted as well. But there's one little problem, we just don't have the booking. So we're just gonna turn up and hopefully find a spot. So let's go check it out. Gonna be here, Honeysuckle Bay Road. Oh, 2 weeks ago when we planned this trip and I looked at it, the dates, and it was fully booked out. All we need is just one spot. One spot's big enough. You can actually have that
Thanks.
distraction. This road is bumpy as. Usually people just come here for a day trip and you can park here and go to the beach. But we're gonna turn here. Well, there are a few. We look around. There's one here. This one's booked.
People get like full on setup.
There's only one left.
This spot.
So we found a spot. We found a spot extremely lucky. Well, not fully yet. All other spots were occupied except just one. So we didn't set up in case someone turns up with a booking. In the meantime, we're gonna go and explore this lookout. Have a look at this one. How nice is this? As we were walking out of the campsite, one of the lady who's obviously camping there said there's a stingray near the rock pools. Did they say there was a dolphin as well?
She said potentially dolphins and whales, but I think we just need to keep our eye out. So that's our challenge. Let's go.
Let's go find them. Walk there's the beach. The last time you dip your feet in the ocean, that was in
Bali.
Same.
What have you found?
Got a shell?
It's nice and white. It's cute.
Souvenir.
Oh, big one.
Getting better.
Goodbye, souvenir. Yay!
We didn't sight any dolphins or stingrays, but we did find something.
Gorgeous shell. Perfect. I think it's gonna come home.
You can have it. I hope it doesn't rain tonight. So far we've been really lucky, so hopefully
Luck holds out.
fingers crossed. Let's go. We're pretty good with time. It's only 5:30 p.m. Now, before it gets dark, we're gonna chop some wood.
Look at your big axe. Yay! Yeah.
Keep going.
This is tough.
No, harder. Yeah, put me harder. Yeah, it's gonna go.
Yay!
Yay!
That was not easy. Muscles.
Hiya! More. Oi! How's it going, girls?
Good. Look at all the wood we've chopped.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sure you twos did all this. Turn up the lights. Cheers. This grill is there for some coffee.
Hey, buddy. Off he goes.
Very little space.
The body has a skeleton. It's not.
Just take the one close to you.
Okay, so we're all packed up and ready to go. So we clean up the campsite.
My best part was sitting around the fire.
Yeah.
We don't talk about that.
Okay.
Best part was a little possum came up last night and I was feeding him bread. Like literally he was taking it from my hand.
What about the worst part?
My worst part was I woke up to a screaming, crying baby this morning, so it put me in a bad mood, but we're back now. We're good.
Crying babies, guys. That's why my solution is earplugs. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment box if you have anything to say, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do that now. See you in my next video. Take care.